welcome back. Hope you're all having an awesome Monday. I'm Stacy and this is the For Bricks and Giggles YouTube channel. It's already November and things are starting to get cold, so I thought I'd pick a set from the Arctic theme. Set 6575, the Polar Base from 2000. So stick around to the end to hear my review, and let's get started. Alright, so here we have the completed build, and I can't believe this set is already 20 years old. I'm amazed by that. It doesn't feel like that long ago that we got this set as kids, but man, time sure does fly. It has really held up though. I didn't get this set until earlier this year. My brother owned it when we were children, and I played with his version of it all the time. Actually, if you've been following me on Instagram, you will have seen the throwback picture I did. He got this on Christmas morning, I guess Christmas of 2000, and he's holding it up proudly, and I'm sitting behind him looking semi-bored and semi-jealous, and that's just the way our Christmases were. We were always wanting Legos, so if one got it, the other one might be a little bit disappointed, but it worked both ways, and luckily we were really good about sharing our sets with each other. But if you haven't seen that picture, it is actually my most liked picture on Instagram, so definitely go check that out because it's pretty funny. Now this set is super fun. It is just over 400 pieces. It comes with 6 minifigures. I love that it's divided up onto 4 different base plates so that you can rearrange it however you want. It actually works out really well on this blanket. It kind of looks like snow, so that's pretty fun. It does come with this really awesome polar bear. One of my favorite animals that Lego has produced. Very simple, but I really love it. I like that this set comes with 3 different vehicles as well. I think that's really nice. So 4 different stations, 3 different vehicles. That leads to a ton of playability. So here we have just like a little helicopter. Love the use of orange in these sets. They really set it apart with using that color. This has all kinds of tools lined up on the sides. So if you're going to rescue someone from like a polar emergency, or you need to help break through the ice or something, they've given you all the tools you need on that vehicle. Here we have just like a little vehicle that has skis on the bottom so it can drift through the snow, getting you to those hard to reach places. It's got a stretcher on the back. That's a really nice element. And then we've got another vehicle here. This one looks like it's more for the use of, digging up these encapsulated creatures in the ice. I really like these, ice boulders they've created. Like I said in the Rock Raiders video, as a kid, I really loved the idea of mining for things, or, these little rocks and ice capsules that could contain, crystals or animals. So in this one, they actually have a translucent neon green scorpion. So really cool little animal there too. I do like this design better for the ice than the remake, which is just like they took the boulders that they used for the Rock Raiders sets and they made them translucent light blue. I like this element just a little bit better than that one. This was a really popular stylistic piece during this era. Really nice opening, and inside there's just kind of like a watchtower with different mechanisms. So you've got, before I dump it out, a little computer in there, and some charts and maps, little coffee cup, and then the chair will swivel so that you can turn to whatever area you need to be looking at. We have those same air tanks that I was just talking about for that space set I recently showed you, which was out during this time, so that was pretty common. Here in the back, you've got one of the yellow backpacks as well as a couple of other tools. So just, not a whole lot going on inside, but I feel like with these sets, it was encouraging the outdoor activities, so it makes more sense that there's more stuff to do outside of the buildings than inside. This one, I really like the door they created for this. I don't think I have any other sets that have doors similar to that, so that's a really nice, unique part. And in the back, we've just got like a magnifying glass, so you'd set the rock behind it, or the ice block, so you could see what was going on inside. So actually, you would have your little ice block roll down here, and then you'd open it up, and it would come inside. So that was a pretty unique idea to make this piece allow for, the rock to kind of travel into the building. I like this little section, the little medic hut. Again, they were really clever with the use of the doors in this set. I think that was a good idea as well. And I'll show you, I really like this little tile that has, the chart and a stethoscope print on it. Let me know if that was used in any other sets. I don't think I own any others that have this piece, but I really like that piece. So very simple inside, just has that chart and a little like computer screen slope. But that leaves a lot for the imagination as well. And then on this end, the interior has a little bit more going on. This sticker piece has the weather for the week listed on it. We've got some dials and screens there, and then a phone and a pair of binoculars. So this is kind of like where your weather station would be. It's just a little bit of extra decor here on the top. I do like the use of these yellow tubes. We really loved those tubes growing up. There's so many different ideas of things you could do with those. I think they're really great. So I'll show you just a few of the people. I like the Arctic people. Their little snow hoods are so cute. Got our little medic gentleman here. And just a regular kind of Arctic worker. So pretty great minifigures. Only around 400 pieces, so not a long build. But like I said, hours of playability. I don't think the Arctic sets are too terribly expensive. I think when I bought this one towards the beginning of the year, it was maybe around $50, so not too bad. There hasn't been too much of a price increase like with the Forestman sets or maybe the Adventurer sets, so still really affordable, I think, and a lot of fun. So I highly recommend at least checking these sets out, but they would definitely be a great addition to your collection. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. See you next time. If you'd like a For Bricks and Giggles t-shirt like the one I'm wearing, go to my webpage, link in the description, and click the merch button.